class we are going to understand and learn about the nature of the roots of quadratic equations. So we have already learned different methods of how to solve the quadratic equation. Now today's topic is nature of roots. So first, the quadratic equation can be written as like this. This is in the standard form. So what is the nature of root is कि whatever the answers we are getting, like we have seen x का value we will get with two values, different type of values we get. So before solving it, we can say what kind of solutions or zeros of this equation will be. That is called nature of roots. How we can find out that is, there is a term called discriminant, which is represented as d. Now d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So we have to look at this equation, substitute these values of a, b, c in this formula. We will get different type of answers. Now there are three possibilities. First, d could be greater than 0, means you will get a positive answer. In this case, roots are real and unequal. Now, in some book it is written that roots are rational and unequal or irrational and unequal. वो दो cases होंगे. If d perfect square होगा, then the answer will be rational number, means there is no root sign will be there in the answer. And if root d is not a perfect square, then you may get irrational numbers, means your answer will be in under the root. But you can write down nature of roots are the roots are real and unequal. Second case is when d is equal to 0, then we say roots are real and equal. Equal means we will get two answers of x, both are same, plus minus हो सकते हैं, but both will be, you will get the same answer. And third is d is less than 0, then we can write down roots are imaginary. So they are not real, they are imaginary. So for 10th standard we will not do this type of questions that you will study in 11th standard, but till here just we will be solving these two type of questions. So we will look at one example of, it is given that the roots are, some condition is given and then we have to find out the value of some variable which is given in the question. So I will just read out the question and we will try to do it. So question is, without solving the quadratic equation, we have to find the value of k, and the equation which is given is, this is an important question because it comes generally in board exam, in all CBSE, ICSE, everywhere. So the question given is that kx square minus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Right. So this is given to us, and the condition which is given that we don't have to solve it and we have to find out the value of k for which the given equation has real roots. Real roots means, so we can write down as the equation has real roots. Now in previous slide you have learned that the real roots can be possible if d is greater than or equal to 0. So that condition will apply, and we know d is b square minus 4ac. So here a is a, b is minus 5 and c is 1. So therefore d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac, should be greater than equal to 0. Right? So we will substitute the value minus 5 square minus 4 into k into c is greater than equal to 0. So 25 minus 4k. Now C we have the value as 1. So 4k is greater than equal to 0. So 25 is 4k. So 25 by 4 is greater than equal to k. So this is the value of k what we got. So k is less than equal to this 25 by 4. So that's satisfying the condition. So that is why we have to calculate till here. In some question they will give the roots are real and equal. Then we will only take equal to 0 and solve the value of k in the same method. So this is how we find out the nature of roots, 3 different types which we have learned, and using that how to find out the value of k or p or whatever alphabet is given.